what I've learned from Priya Parker would fill its own book. Today, I want to share her book, The Art of Gathering, with you. When I became aware of this book, I think through Dan Pink, so with a nod to Dan, I got it from my library and I ran through it. It's such a fantastic book for a human connector. Highly recommend it for you. And I want to share 3 insights today that I learned from Priya, which have informed my work and really can help you inform and enhance your connecting efforts. Number 1, purpose is your bouncer. That's right, you heard me. Just imagine that doorway, maybe the velvet rope, the alleyway, it's the place to be. Is that the place to be? What's your purpose? Why are you there? Use purpose as your bouncer, as she so eloquently puts it. I teach to what's your why? What's your alignment with the thing, with the people, with the event? Why are you doing what you're doing? So make sure that purpose is right up front in the front row with you when you are gathering, when you are connecting. Number 2, there's rules around phones. She calls it rules versus phones. I think of rules and phones because I love some of the ideas she gives in here and some of the case studies she gives about how phones are an omnipresent item in our modern lives. So what do we do with that? How do we mitigate? How do we encourage people? How do we frankly instruct people to be respectful with that ever-present device close by when we are gathering, when we are connecting? The same darn rules apply for gathering as when they do with connecting. So I highly love that point right there that she makes. Rules versus phones, rules and phones. The third one I want to share with you is really timely if you're watching this close to when I recorded this, which is June of 2021, right after the COVID pandemic. People are rushing, they're running out, they're stampeding to get together, to gather again, to connect again in person. So what do we need to be thinking about there? One of the points I want to share from Priya's book is that conferences that we may return to, that we may go to for the first time, can be a place of posturing and jockeying. Guess what? Newsflash, that's not connecting. That is emblazoning, that is running across the sky with your plane, that is putting it on the marquee at the theater and saying, aren't I great? No, don't squander that beautiful, precious opportunity to connect with other people genuinely in person and on screen. This is an evergreen rule, evergreen guide, evergreen connection and gathering insight. Know why you're going to the gathering and be really clear that you're going to focus on quality and not quantity. Those 3 highlights, Art of Gathering, Priya Parker, highly recommend this book. It's great for connectors, people who want to be connectors, leaders leading teams of connection. If you found this video valuable, if it was useful for you and you want to share it, please do. We'd love it if you'd subscribe. Go ahead and do that right now. And if you have a comment or connecting question or challenge you'd like us to field, they are always welcome and wanted. So remember that life is powered by connection, and we'll see you again soon.